Hello, it's the evening rush hour, and then do the as there's a new feature coming soon. It's class 810 Aurora trains, which will be operating on the Midland Main Line for East Midland Railway, and these will be placed in class 22 meridians. These are the trains the 810s will be replacing. And it's the meridians, class 222s, and the 180s from East Midlands Railway. So it's time to head over to the main concourse. We might be there. There's a display on today, so we'll be going there. Alright, here's the seats we'll be going on these are the seats we'll be going on the Auroras. It is first class seating, the others are standard class in Derby and Nottingham. And this is first class. So we'll be having a look at it.
Hello there. You've already texted us on the phone.
Platform 2 from the 1621 cross country service to
Alright, here's my first glimpse of what day is not yet. Put some on this up here. Time to do check Marshall's shoulders there. Alright, my first overview is this seats are quite comfy, but it is a bit hard for me. Well, it's a bit hard. EMR, if you watch it, if you can make it more a bit comfier, so it hits for make sure it's more comfier for travels. Well, overview, I think that this is quite a good feature, and the seats are quite comfy as well. So yeah, this is the new seats we'll be having on the Aurora trains. So yeah, if you want me seeing on the Aurora trains, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yeah, a bit hard.
The next train to depart from platform 8A will be the 1637 East Midlands Railway service to London Pancras, Sheffield, Derby, and the front train.
Alright, we've done that train back to Doncaster. So my overview is they are alright, but the seats could be done a bit more time to get it right. But overview, I think the seats are quite comfy, to be honest, as there's a headrest on top of this. But you don't get this on standing class. But I'm with you. I think the seats are quite comfy. I like the pattern. And not the grey bit, and these are purple bit. Also like the purple armrest, which they is gold. That's good. Well, unfortunately, there isn't a seat recline yet, so hopefully they'll be installed in time the Aurora's enter service. So it's time to head back on the train back to Doncaster. Let's go. I'm trying to see, yeah. It's 174.59. It's going to take me back to 4 North. So it's gonna stop at 4 North. So they're not on now. As it's leaving in a few minutes.